Alright, happy Sunday everybody, October 1st. Let's look at this sky. Yeah, I gotta charge my gimbal, so this video is gonna be pretty quick. What we're looking at here is the end of a cargo strap. Now I have two of them. I forgot that I purchased this one about 3.5 years ago. It is from what I was told and the source I trust, it is World War II. And then this one I just recently purchased. It has a different belt stirrup and hook. I'll put the two hooks side by side for comparison. This one appears to be cast and machined. This one is has just been bent, and it has a screw in it. It's very nice. It was made by the Bud Manufacturing Company. We can see there, B-U-D-D. Same company that made the wheels, Bud, and the bed. So, what I was going to do was just show the fitment. That needs to be tightened up a little bit. Let's see if I can do that and get it on video before the battery dies. So just take up a lot of slack here, I think. No, that just made it longer. The other way. What I'll do is take up about that much. I wish you guys could smell what I'm smelling with this strap. Unbelievable. There. I think it would be better if I did this by hand. But there's the thinner one. Wait one while I change them out. Okay. So I'm inclined to think that this cargo strap, safety strap, is for CCKW because there's a lot of material, and the CCKW bed is wider than the Chevy bed. The Chevy is a 1.5 ton cargo capacity, and the CCKW is 2.5 tons. So that's why the CCKW had a wider bed. Thanks, Robin, for this strap. He has an amazing collection that would rival most museums. So I trust him when he tells me this is a World War II issue. This buckle here is cast, and so is this rectangular ring. I think the buckle on the thinner one is just stamped metal. I'm not sure. But the person, Farrell, thank you very much for this strap too, that I bought this one from. he knows quite a lot about Chevy trucks too. So I think what I'll do is I will keep this one for a spare and run this one on my Chevy. So that wraps up this quick little video. Hope everybody has a great month, and thanks for watching my video. Later.